Hello guys, this is Vaish. So this is the batch 6 launch, test launch for 2021. We already had 5 batches, so I'll show you details of the existing batches and what will be the 6th batch. So this is launched only because there is a golden extension of 3 to 4 months which UPSC has provided because of the COVID situation which is going around. Okay, June 27 was the planned date, and now we have scheduled a new test series which will start on May 31. May 31 is a study timetable. Your exam first test will be around June 2 or June 3. That full timetable overview we'll do in this video, and it will go till October 3. Okay, October 10 is your prelims. So 1 week before that, 7 days before that, we'll wind up the entire batch. Okay, so we have this details given in this particular video only. So please see to that you watch till the end instead of asking queries after query in WhatsApp. Okay, and many students have this doubt like whether if I start now will I complete, or whether is the right time to begin, should I prepare for 21 or 22. So these kind of queries will come to students. You have to understand that if you have applied for this exam, if you have applied when February the notification came, then you have to give this attempt. Okay, no matter what, you have to give this attempt. So you have this time, you are inside house. Other than the COVID situation, okay, if you are personally affected, if you are at home, you have to study. Okay, day in and day out, you have to sit and study. You do not focus on other things, because this is a it's your choice. Okay, there are two choices. One is to get distracted, sit at home, use Netflix, use YouTube unwantedly, use Facebook, use social media, and just time pass on the internet. Second option is use these things but in a limited way, and study at least 6 to 8 hours daily. Sit and study, and you will surely clear this exam if you study in the serious way from the right sources. Okay, so because we are one of the right sources on the internet, okay, we never tell like we are the only source. We are one of the sources. We can guarantee you that if you sit and study, you may clear this exam. Okay, else if you don't clear also, because obviously when 10 lakh people apply, most of them are not going to clear. Okay, only 9,000 people will clear the prelims. So when you don't clear, you will be at least 50 to 60% ready for the next year's prelims. Okay, you can then focus more on the mains preparation for next year after the prelims. I'm telling you can focus on the mains preparation. You can focus on just the new current affairs, and you will be almost ready. Okay, so always the perfect time to start this preparation is now. I'll show you a few feedback, because after this thing you should not feel like whether actually students have bought this, what do they feel about the test series. So we'll show you the testimonials and feedback first itself. Okay, this is like one of our batch one students. Like, it's been 5 days now. Timetable has really helped me a lot. Now every day I don't have to spend time deciding what to read from where to read. You have really simplified the journey. Okay, so because we gave them a timetable, and see here, in 10 days I completed Spectrum, NCRT, and this much newspaper, because every day 2 hours is for a particular thing, 2 hours is for another textbook, 1 hour is for newspaper reading, 1 hour is for answer writing. It's a very detailed timetable, okay, which I will show you. And here again, all these, if I keep reading, then it will take time. So you can pause and read. Okay, so gist of it is this thing only, how the timetable and Vaishya's model has helped them, because the confusion will be avoided. You will correctly know, like, today what you have to study, tomorrow what you have to study, and what you have to revise. Okay, even your previous year paper completes. Okay, because we are telling you each day take this 10 MCQs and do, tomorrow take 20 MCQs and do. Okay, there again students who are solving, okay, in the mid of doing the test series. These are again feedbacks from them. Okay, because of the quality of the test series and what they were expecting, or which topic they could not find from any other source that they are finding from our test series. So like that, lots of feedbacks are there. Okay, so I don't want to waste a lot of time reading through all this, but those who wanted the feedback, okay, those who wanted to know, you have to pause this and see. Okay, that is why this everything is put in the single video. Now you have to watch fully, because you are a 2021 aspirant, and this is the biggest UPSC prelims test series in the country right now. Okay, with the timetable attached to it. Okay, nobody else is giving these many number of tests like how we are giving. Okay, entire GS, because any test series you take, any test series in this country, maximum they'll give 40 to 50 tests. Out of that, also 10 to 15 tests will be CSAT, which is of no use. CSAT is something which any person who knows to read basic English can go and pass the exam. Okay, you need just 33 percentage. That is, I think, 26 questions out of 80 questions. Okay, you blindly go and do it, you will pass. Or if you don't study also, the gap between the morning prelims exam and the evening CSAT exam, there is a 3 hour gap. Okay, always. That 3 hour gap, you simply download or watch YouTube, like the solution of the previous year question paper, which many YouTube channels have already done, like 2020 solved paper, 2019 solved paper. Do that video just for half an hour, watch that video in 2x speed, and then you go to the afternoon exam. I'm guaranteeing you that you will pass. Okay, because questions repeat as such. Okay, same type of comprehension, the same type of puzzle solving, same type of aptitude questions, everything is same. There is nothing to study there. Okay, it's a simple paper, simply put. I don't know for what reason it is put, but it is simply there. Okay, you don't worry about that. And this thing, how many hours to study in a day? At least 6 to 8 hours you have to study, no matter you are a full-time aspirant or a working professional. Okay, because working professional always tells us like, sir, make us something special. There is nothing special for you. Okay, you people are having a job, you are getting monthly salary. Okay, and you are already in a stable position. But the others students, they don't have any income, they may be starting their career, okay, they don't have anything, or maybe they quit their job for this. So those people has a disadvantage compared to you. So when they study 8 hours or 12 hours or 15 hours, you have to study at least 6 to 8 hours. That is why our timetable on average at least 8 hours of study we have kept it. Okay, if you have 8 hours shift in the work, 8 hours you have to sleep, remaining 8 hours you have to somehow crunch your studies and fit into it. Okay, or maybe carry forward a little bit. You have to study even during the eating time or break time. That is the thing which professionals have to do, working professionals. Okay, others will get like a 2 hours break daily. That break time also will be your study time. That is how you have to compensate. Okay, now should I do test along with daily studies? Many people tell like, sir, first I'll study complete syllabus, then I'll do the test. That is the biggest mistake or biggest blunder which every student tell. You take 10 years for UPSC preparation, still I tell you that you will never complete UPSC syllabus. Okay, UPSC syllabus is something which is never ending. So you have to study through test. You have to study by seeing the questions. You have to study previous year questions as well as priority, and then one good test series. Okay, we never tell you like our test series above anything. Our test series next to previous year paper only, always. Okay. So this is a 4 months detailed study timetable which you are going to give. Now the previous batches we did, okay, the prelims PDF method plus mains PDF and evaluation. Okay, that batch, 2 batches were run. Okay, batch 1 365 days and batch 2 325 days, of which still all the tests are over now. One test is pending and few evaluations pending, that will be completed soon. So that was the first model, okay, which we launched, 365 day timetable and 325 timetable last June. Okay, June and August I think. Then prelims plus mains test PDF, where we took away the evaluation thing. That was a 250 day timetable and a batch for 185 day timetable. So we thought we will wind up there. But after that, when people asked for a 100 day timetable, we again made one more batch. Batch 5, 120 timetable, where mains itself was taken away. We will focus only on prelims. Okay, so that batch is running now. It is in the midway. Okay. Now when the golden extension came, we got 120 days more. We thought we will launch the similar batch one more time so that you can start from scratch. Now when this is being launched, batch 6, the timetable which is being made will be given free of cost to all our previous 5 batches also. Okay, the Excel sheet, the timetable, editable Excel sheet, so that in case you feel whatever you did till now is not enough and you have done not anything properly, you want to start from scratch again. Okay, you will be given the timetable again along with this batch 6 students. You start studying one more time. Okay, as fresh aspirant. Okay, still it will be like a triple revision for you. Okay, so if you see, combo pack and mains is not there in batch 6. It will be a 120 day timetable, not a 1 year timetable. And instead of 75 tests, this batch will have 79 tests. Why? Because the next 4 months of current affair, which was not in the scope initially, okay, June, July, August, September, will be additionally freely given to this pack. Okay, 75 test is what is given to all the previous 5 batches, and now we have given a free upgrade for them also. So this batch directly gets 79 tests in their package. Okay, because of 4 extra months of current affairs. Okay, now why the batch 6? Because of the golden extension, as I told. Then a final test marathon batch, meaning every day or almost every 2 days you will be solving our test and you will be learning through the test. Test will have explanation and test is our notes. Okay, we don't give you any other unwanted notes or video lectures or anything. Our test material PDF is more than enough for you to study in and out about every subject. Okay, so read only the needed books. We will make you read. We will tell you like today read Lakshmikant chapter 2 means you have to read chapter 2. Okay, that will tell you when the timetable is coming up. Okay, so reliable, frequent test, huge demand and success rate. That is why many students are still asking, sir, now a chance I got, let me go and attempt 21 itself. So please tell us how to start from scratch. That is why. Then our materials are being loved by serious aspirants. You can study at the comfort of your home. 100% prelim syllabus completion. All the tests will be given to your email. You don't need to log into any portal. You don't have to worry about portal getting stuck or maybe it is not loading or say maybe some radio button is not working. There is no online things here. Okay, everything is a soft copy PDF given to your email. So different types of courses, I have told this in multiple videos. Offline coaching, whether you should join or not. Okay, even if you're a 2022 aspirant, should you go and join? That already a coaching related foundation video is there. If you don't know the video, come and ask me in WhatsApp. I'll give you the link of the video. Then you will have an idea like whether you should join coaching class or not. Okay. Online, there are many types, like even the copy pasted notes of some institutes, many people are shamelessly selling that you will get for 300 rupee, 500 rupee. That is there, or maybe even free of cost. Then there are big tablet courses, pen drive courses, which is like 1.5 lakh. These are the market available courses, okay. And they may give only video, only test, or maybe both of them combined. Then there is a prelims test alone, mains alone, combo alone, ethics alone, even essay test series alone. I have seen people selling for huge prices, okay, which is actually not needed. Then English, Hindi, these kind of things. So when I tell all these things, then finally I can tell you like out of this, what is Vaishya is giving you. Okay. So scheduled or random. And one more thing, mains, whichever batch you're studying, please don't go and type answers in different websites. Okay, your typing doesn't help. Okay, it won't help you. There, you are simply making those pages grow more and more rich or popular. Okay, because you're clicking on their portal, you are submitting the answer. Their pages each day refreshed and watched again and again. They are making money out of it. But you typing answers will not help you. You have to write it. You have to write. Your hand should feel that pain. Okay, you have to write it on paper, and then maybe evaluate with a mentor or evaluate by among friends. That is your choice. But you have to write it on paper. Okay, daily quiz is there, weekly test is there, mains practice with or without evaluation, test with or without video explanation, with or without PDF. Many formats are there. Okay, so our model, as I told, first thing, it is only in English medium. Okay, then it is test with PDF. There is no video explanation for this batch. Then mains is not there, and this kind of things are not there. Okay, this batch 6 is only for prelims, only in English medium, only test PDF with a schedule. And all these things which is available in the market, they have their own advantage and disadvantage. So if you are already impressed with some other institute, some other test series, please go and join. Never think like you will join one particular institute and you will pass this prelims. You have to join at least 4 to 5 test series. Okay, it can be free, it can be paid, it's your choice. But it should impress you. It should be in relation to the UPSC syllabus. It should be in relation to UPSC previous year paper. When you do that, you should get a satisfaction that this is the exact kind of question which came last year. This is the exact kind of question that other teacher told me. If you don't get that satisfaction, don't join that test series. Okay, including Vaishayas, I'm telling. Now, is it worth UPSC? Okay, our Vaishayas test series. Will it have UPSC standards? So, our institute only cares about UPSC standards and making you the best aspirant in country. Okay, because we want you to be a competitive person. Like a person spends lakhs of rupees and go to a particular city and study in a big coaching institute, and you sitting and studying at home with Vaishayas material, both of you should be on par. That is our goal. Okay. So mains and combo is not there, as I told. Prelims model will be, any number of enrollments will be there. Like October 3, I told, the test series will end. Even in October 2, you come and ask, you can enroll, but there is no point. Okay, so the enrollments will be open full time. Soft copy, detailed PDF delivery by email. Created in simple English with needed fact, figure, and news links. Textbook references are also given. Lakshmikant and all chapter I have mentioned, like this MCQ is taken from this chapter. R.S. Sharma mentioning this is taken from this chapter. Okay, so we want to repeat our history, that is 100 plus marks. So we need only the best aspirants to come and join. So who are not serious, who is simply buying it to pile it up, please don't buy this test series. And as I told, 75 test is upgraded to 79 test. There will be scheduled delivery, 100% syllabus without CSAT, soft copy PDF delivery by email. I'm telling all this again and again because after the test series, students will ask, sir, in which address you will send me the hard copies? We are not going to send you hard copies. Okay, it will be soft copy PDF via email. So you have to have an active email ID, that too with enough storage. There are many people who give us a junk email ID. We send it, it either bounces back, it doesn't get delivered. Then we have to remind the students. Okay, usually no institute will go and do that, but we go and remind the students like your inbox is full, delete something so that we can send the test. Okay, many students have thanked us for telling them that we the mails are not getting delivered. Okay, so simple and easy learning at your home. Reach us at WhatsApp or email till all stages. Okay, even if you're joining now only for prelims and suppose you did not clear or you clear, whatever happens, your next stage also, your number will not be deleted from my WhatsApp. Okay, you will be in touch with me all the time till you tell like I am not preparing for UPSC, please delete my number. Till then, you will be in touch with us. Daily video updates, whatever is happening on YouTube, that and all you will get. Okay, but there is no video explanation or video courses attached to this course. Okay, this course is only for 79 test PDF. The subjects covered will be history taken from all these textbooks, art and culture taken from all these textbooks, geography from all these places, polity from Lakshmikant, all the editions till now. If a 7th edition comes, that also I will try to include. Then UPSC syllabus, PIB, PRS, economy from NCERT and Ramesh Singh, environment from NCERT and Shankar IAS, current affairs, 12 months is upgraded to 16 months, as I told, June to September, plus extra you have to buy as add-on, meaning before June 2020 if you need, there are at least 24 to 48 months available with us. You can buy that as add-on. Okay, that's a separate thing, which already in my subject test series I have explained. Then economic survey budget test will be included. Okay, then full length test will be there. So your train timetable, we'll see an overview which has 120 days in that. Okay, before showing you the Excel sheet, it starts on May 31 as I told. So get ready to study from that date, and prelims test will begin around June 11. Okay, the first test. 110 marks is what we target. So before showing the remaining part of the presentation, I will take you through the timetable. So if you see here, May 31, okay, it's a Monday. We have made this thing in which the first day when you join, okay, the already completed months of current affair will be given to you immediately. Okay, because current affair you have to study by yourself as and when you get time. We will give you on the day one of joining, meaning today is May 25. If today you come and enroll, immediately we'll give you. So you don't have to wait till this 31. So you have 5-6 days already to sit and go through this test. Every test has 100 MCQ. So you will do this 10 MCQ and then 10 test. Then May 31 date will come. That time again, if you see, May 31 and 1 is allocated for studying those tests only. So till June 1, you can sit and do the 10 current affairs which you got on day 1 of joining. June 2, take NCERT class 6 textbook, for which also video lecture is there free of cost in my YouTube. Watch that and study that. 3 hours is more than enough to do class 6 textbook. Okay, if you are only studying, keep your phone away, all distractions away, simply take the class 6 NCERT. Okay, it has just few ancient history chapters, then nothing else. For which video is already there. Okay, so I know how much time it will take. 3 hours, take a 1 hour gap, take Lakshmikant, do chapter 1, chapter 2, which also needs only 2 hours or not even 2 hours, but again for this video lecture is available. Then night again, revise that chapter. Okay, so 3 hours here, 2 hours here, 5, and here at least 3 hours. So 8 hours on an average you have to do. Okay, it's your choice. Like if you complete this in 1 hour, then here in 2 hours, you may be completing everything in 6 hours. So it's all your speed. Okay, the faster you study, the faster you can move on to the next chapter. And the initial NCERTs, all these things, free lectures are available. Okay, NCERT. Lakshmikant, I have done till chapter 6, and because of the lack of response, we have kept on hold. So as I told, these lectures are not promised to you, but you have your textbook with you. You have to buy it online or wherever possible, offline or online, and then you have to study the textbook. Now you will be having confusion, like when you tell chapter 1 and 2, my edition is different from your edition. That is why we have given the chapter numbers and an index here, this first tab. Okay, one thing you have to know, this Excel sheets are different tabs. Okay, there are many students who come and tell like, sir, I studied till June 16. After that, what to do? You have not told me. We have told you in the next tab. Click on the next tab, the next thing will come. Okay, so here Lakshmikant, if you take, this is based on edition 4's chapter numbers. Chapter 1 is historical background, chapter 2 is this thing. So in every edition, same chapters will be there. Okay, so if it's your 5th edition or 6th edition, we don't care. When we tell chapter 1 and 2, we are mentioning these two, historical background and making of the constitution. That is what you have to read here. Then when we tell chapter 3 and chapter 4, you have to read in your edition the salient features and the preamble. Okay, maybe in your textbook preamble is some 6th chapter or 7th chapter. That we don't care. You have to read these chapters. That is why this index is given for reference. Okay, so like this, slowly you will be doing all these things, and by end of 1 week, you will be read this much. Okay, it's easily possible. Okay, only when the class 11th starts, okay, maybe here you will struggle. You will feel like you cannot complete it within 4 hours or 3 hours. Class 12 textbook part 1. There are 3 parts. Okay, part 1, part 2, part 3 for history class 12. You may not be able to complete, but it's okay. If something is pending, keep it pending. Okay, and then do the next one. Start reading. After that, on this particular date, Friday, you will get PT1 and PT2, the first 2 test PDF, which will be based on history 6, 7, 8 and geography 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That again 2 full days is given to do 100 MCQ, which you don't actually need. Okay, because you have already done the reading, you know all the subjects and topics in that particular history test. Okay, this one with this much, how much you have read, that will be there in this test. You will complete it in 1 day actually. Then this is actually a buffer day. Even though you are given revise, this will become an automatic buffer day for you. That day, whatever is pending here, class 12th, complete it here. Same like that, geography, when you do this much, this test will be a very easy test for you that day. Okay, this test is not given for your evaluation or comparing you with anyone. It's for your study purpose. It will be a very detailed MCQ series with explanation. Okay, you can see our daily quiz to see how much detailed explanations we give. Daily one subject I'm showing there. Okay, so this you will do. Then 1 more buffer day you will get. Because it's not required to revise again the same test again and again. Okay, you will, 1 day itself you will remember all the 100 MCQs. Then again, whatever is pending, if anything is pending, if it's not pending, well and good. Okay, so like that you will do. So one guarantee which we give you is, without making you read a particular topic, the test of that will not come. Okay, like you see here, this NCERT test I will not give you like here day 1. I will not give you on May 31 because you did not read the textbook. Only after making you read this, your test will be given. So it's your mistake whether if you don't read, like if you simply time pass and waste all these days and then tell like, sir, I could not understand anything, this test is very difficult, that is your fault. So that's why I told only the most serious aspirant who is ready to sit and read day in and day out from the standard textbook which is available on the internet and in Amazon and Flipkart, wherever, you will pass. Okay, the entire course is designed for them. Others who need spoon feeding and who thinks like we will give you everything, nothing is going to work. The most serious people who will read, you will pass. So now after that, Geography, class 11, 12, you will continue. As I told, this maybe it's not possible for you to complete. Okay, within one day, full geography class length may not be possible. But whatever you can do, do it. Okay. So after that, NCERT class 12 and geography class 12 test will be given. Okay. So then again 4 days. 4 days to do 200 MCQs is not required actually. Within one day itself you can do. So that buffer days, use it for extra reading which you missed in the previous days. So like that, this is complete. Then Lakshmikant, where we stopped in the previous page, we would have stopped at chapter 11 here. Okay. And one more thing, when I tell 9, 10, 11, you have to do 9, 10, 11 because we know that much time only required. If you directly take chapter 22, which is the Parliament chapter, you will not complete. You cannot complete in 3 hours. Parliament chapter, you need at least one full day. Okay. So please do exact the chapter which we tell you. Okay. Because 9, 10, 11 will be the DPSP, fundamental right and all, which you need just few hours, 4, 5 hours, it will get complete. Like that, it will go on. Lakshmikant chapters, Lakshmikant test. And then, as I told, 10 months of current affair I gave you initially. The 11th month, we will give you here, April current affair. Okay. Then here, Lakshmikant continuation, then schemes. Now, you will notice, like for schemes, I didn't ask you to study anything. Like I promised you, like without making you read, I will not take you the test. But certain subjects are there for which you don't have to read anything. Okay. Like current affair and all. Even if you read newspaper or not read, it's okay. You do my test, you will get almost every highlights which happened in that month. But still, reading is always good. Newspaper reading, I have kept 1 hour every day in the morning, first when you wake up, because it will be helpful for your mains. Okay, editorial reading. It will help you boost your language skills. So you have to do newspaper reading. But for the test sake and learning the current affairs which happened, our test will be sufficient. Okay, then schemes you will do. So the schemes will go like this, which again, as I told, this 4 test. Simply do this alone. 400 schemes or 400 plus schemes you will study. Don't depend on any other source. You can study all the schemes here itself with all the features. Then continuation of Lakshmikant. Then Lakshmikant test again. Then here the 12th month of current affair. Then we'll continue Lakshmikant. And here 13th month of current affair. Okay. PT 76 as I told is a new edition which for all batches. Then international bodies. For this also, don't do any extra reading. I think yesterday's quiz was based on international bodies only in the YouTube channel. You go and see whichever body you have in your mind, whichever UPSC have asked, for that there is an MCQ. So you can completely depend on this. 200 questions will teach you at least 400 to 500 international bodies. Okay, because in one question itself, 4 bodies will be there. So you will be done with lot of portions by July mid itself. Then you start R.S. Sharma and Satish Chandra reading, for which also R.S. Sharma entire lecture is free of cost available on YouTube. Satish Chandra I would have done if you had given proper feedback. But after a few lectures, we did not get proper feedback. We kept it on hold. Then that test will be given. 3 days are allocated for 400 MCQs. And this 400 MCQs will completely cover it. Okay. This also, I think already the daily quiz has been completed. So you can see the samples exactly like what kind of MCQs I have made. Okay. With detailed explanations. Then after that, environment again, you study Shankar IAS or not, it's not an issue. You study this 4 test, everything. Theory, static, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, whatever you can imagine, climate change, everything related to environment will be there in these 3 tests. Okay. Then you will do art and culture. Art and culture, again 2 tests, for which 2 days is given. Then the 13th current affair test will be given, July. After that, we will do modern history, which is one of the easiest thing and one of the most scoring thing. If you do modern history from Spectrum, I guarantee whatever questions will come. Okay, if 15 questions come from modern history, at least 12 to 13 you will easily answer directly from Spectrum. Remaining 2 to 3, there will be some old personality or some rare body related thing they'll give, like who is the founder, who is the leader. That will be difficult for everyone. Okay. But other questions you can easily solve from Spectrum. Okay. So for that, here if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days are given. Okay. And then after that again 4 days are given. Because here 4 tests will be given and 4 days. So totally 8, 9 days. Why this much days allocated for Spectrum? Because more number of questions are going to come from here. Okay. So everything is very scientifically designed, knowing the previous year papers standard. Okay. Then you will do economics, which again, you don't have to do every NCERT. You have to just read this test in a particular order. Okay, test 1, read it, then test 2, test 3. Because test 1 will be based on NCERT, the basic GDP, market cost, factor cost, the very basic demand supply thing will be in test 1. Then test 2, little more higher level, test 3 higher level, test 4 higher level. So each will take you to different levels. Okay, and this is all the static part. And whatever happened till the date of before this thing. But after that, whatever happens in news, that will be in the current affair magazines. Okay, if RBI launches a new scheme or suddenly something demonetization kind of something happens, that will be obviously there in the current affair magazine. It will not be there in the static part. After that, again science. Don't do your physics, biology, chemistry textbooks and all and waste time. Whatever is given here, 400 MCQs, do that. Entire thing which is possible from NCERT or from current affairs, we have made the compilation here itself. Okay, that and all in the daily quiz you will see in the upcoming days. Every test I am going to open and show you 5 MCQs. Okay, then geography maps test again. till date, whatever maps question has come in UPSC in the last 3-4 years, everything was solvable from our test itself. Okay, that you can go and see our Vice versus UPSC videos. Okay, then CSAT. CSAT, as I told, 2020, 1918 previous year paper. Simply take these papers and solve yourself, or Google and YouTube, search it. A lot of institutions have already put the solutions. Just do that, nothing else. I guarantee you that you will pass. Okay. Then Nitin Singhania based one. Okay, this also lecture series I had planned, but because of the lack of response, we have kept it on hold again. So this one again, taken chapter by chapter from this textbook, test will be given. Okay, so this also, if you want, you can do the reading in the CSAT days. If you are not interested in CSAT, you can do Nitin Singhania reading here and then get our 2 test, and then 3 days, 200 MCQs you will solve. Okay, then it will be full test, meaning geography based full test, meaning it's not specific to one textbook. Okay, not NCERT based or not GC Leong based. It will be a mix of everything. So geography 2 full test I will give, history 2 full test I will give, polity 4 full test I will give. Okay, so this much studies if you do, there is nothing which is going to come outside this. Okay, if at all it comes, like UPSC always I tell 20% of the paper, that is 20 questions, are going to be difficult, are going to be something which you never heard. But that, even if you go to any other coaching institute, it will be like that only. There will be no difference. Okay. Then this one, August current affair, economic survey, Lakshmikant 8th chapter. This one we are keeping at the last because this is based on the 6th edition, the newest textbook which is there based on that. So I need some time to again revisit the textbook and add some more MCQs. That is why this is kept towards the last. Okay, all other text to Lakshmikant, if you remember, we gave you before itself. Around 11 tests we gave you before this test itself. This is the 12th test of polity. Okay, then after that one buffer day, because all the subject tests are over. By September 16, all the subject tests are over. Then we will do complete full test. Complete full test means it will be mix of all the subjects like your UPSC paper. Okay, so if you see 2 tests, then 1 revision day, 2 tests, 1 revision day. So like that we will do 10 tests. Okay, and the last we will give you, okay, that is when October starts, October 2. Obviously without September getting completed, I cannot give you September current affair. So when September is over, here on October 2, I will give you the October current affair, and that day your test series is over. After that, what you have to do, 1 week is there. That 1 week, either revise the test series if you were not revising properly when we told you, or go and do the previous year papers, for which also, as of now, till here, free videos are there. Okay, and others also, I will try to make it. By October time, I will try to record it and make it for you. Because previous year paper, when you keep doing, you get into that mood. And on this day, Sunday, when you go to the exam hall, you will be like super confident. Because you are going to solve easily. Many questions you are going to solve easily if you are thorough with all the previous year papers. Okay, that is my guarantee again. Every year, at least 15 marks are going to be easily solvable because you did the previous year paper. Okay, so this is how the entire timetable will look like, and this editable Excel sheet will be given to you. So my existing students also, you can modify it or change it or whatever. It's your choice. Okay, you can edit and do whatever. Okay, like if you are very confident in NCERT, don't do NCERT here. Okay, here simply switch it, this date, or change the dates itself here. It's all editable. Okay, but make sure you do it in a scientific method. Okay, because you have to study a test, make sure that you have read the portions for that before itself. This is one thing which other institutes are not giving you. They are simply giving you test after test on the days which they like. They are not checking whether you actually read these chapters or not. But we guarantee you that we will give you time to read the chapters. So the 10 promises which we make to every batch, we will make you the most competitive aspirant in the country, like I told. We will make you cover 100% UPSC syllabus. We will make you learn 2 to 3 years of current affair. We will make you learn previous year papers. We will make you read NCERT and needed standard textbook. Every minute subtopic, as you have seen. Then 10,000 quality MCQs. Okay, that is 7,900 MCQs we are giving you. Remaining, when you do previous year papers, that will become 10,000. Mains is not there, that's why I striked it off. Then we'll be available in WhatsApp till you clear your exam, all the stages. Then we'll update materials for mistakes. Obviously, when this much content is given to you, there will be human errors. Okay, maybe instead of option B, I marked option C. But in the explanation, you will understand, yeah, it is B only. But maybe I marked it wrong, highlighting error. That and all you can point it to me. Already some of my students are pointing it. We are compiling the list. And before your prelims date, I'll make a video in which I tell, okay, this is mistake number 1, this is mistake number 2. That will be very rare, meaning 7,900 MCQs are given to you. There will not be even 79 errors. There will be not even 15, 20 errors. Okay, every year we do that. 25, 30 errors is the maximum which comes out of 7,900 MCQs. Okay, that was small spelling mistake or grammatical mistakes or highlighting mistakes. Okay, so that won't be an issue. So timetable overview you have already seen. It is designed to be in sync with our test series. So we'll make sure you read before each test happens. Okay, this again is feedback from our first batch students. That is why we always post this in this thing. Okay, in our videos. Everything you pause and see. Okay, because I want students to see the feedback. Without that, please don't come and join. This is the overall thing. But 79 test instead of 75 test. Okay, so this one. Here if you see 12 current affair, instead of 12, there will be 16. After May, it won't stop. After June, July, August, September will be there. Okay, see here, June, July, August, September will be in addition. Remaining you can see this much history test, this much polity test, this much full test, geography, economy, environment, science, schemes, international body, whatever you can imagine, everything is there. Okay, budget and survey is included under economic survey. Okay, maps is included under geography. Okay, so this is our result. In 2019, 100 plus marks came. 2020 also 100 plus marks came. Now 2021 we have made it the biggest one so that we get again 100 plus marks. So only the best students please come and enroll. The price is this thing, but if you join now, you will get a discount, obviously, that we give every year. So this is the discount for 120 table, 79 tests. This is the price, same as what we gave to batch 5. Okay, and this is valid only till June 10. That is why a star I have put here. Only till June 10, meaning the only early students who understand Vaishya, who are waiting for this batch, who is willing to study every day, only you come and join. Only you will get the discount. Others don't come and join. Okay. I don't think any other institute will tell like don't come and join. We are telling you because we know students who simply come and join and waste their money and then pile it up. If you are going to pile it up, please don't join because you will not pass. Okay. But people who study, you will pass. Okay. Or at least you will be ready for the next year. So I hope everything is answered, all the queries. Now you have to come and WhatsApp me. Based on that, we'll tell you how to join. 2021 students, WhatsApp this. 2022 students, WhatsApp this. Okay. Don't message both. Whichever batch you are, message that. So I'll wind up this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you are liking the way we teach you. I'll come with the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.